Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam Rasul al Kareem. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Innal lazina kafaru wa ma'tu wa hum kuffarun ulaika alayhim la'natullahi wal malaikati wan nasi ajmain. Verily, those who disbelieve and die while they are disbelievers, it is they on whom is the curse of Allah, and of the angels, and of mankind combined. Khalidina fiha la yukhaffafu anhumul azabu wa lahum yunzarun. They will abide therein, under the curse in hell. Their punishment will neither be lightened, nor will they be reprieved. Wa ilahukum ilahum wahidun la ilaha illa huwa rahmanur rahim. And your ilah, God, is one ilah, God, Allah. La ilaha illa huwa. There is none who has the right to be worshipped but He, the most gracious, the most merciful. Inna fi khalqis samawati wal ardi wa ikhtilafil layli wan nahari wal fulki allati tajri fil bahri bima yanfa'un nas wa ma anzala Allahu minas samai mimma fa ahya bihil arza ba'da mawtiha wa bassa fiha min kulli dabba wa tasrifir riyahi was sahabil musakhkhari bainas samai wal ardi la ayatil li qawmin yaqilun. Verily, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and in the alternation of night and day, and the ships which sail through the sea, with that which is of use to mankind, and the water, rain, which Allah sends down from the sky and makes the earth alive therewith after its death, and the moving living creatures of all kinds that He has scattered therein, and in the veering of winds and clouds which are held between the sky and the earth, are indeed ayat, proofs, evidences, signs, etc. for people of understanding. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَتَّخِذُ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ أَندَادًا يُحِبُّونَهُم كَحُبِّ اللَّهِ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ وَلَوْ يَرَى الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا إِذَا يَرَوْنَ الْعَذَابَ أَنَّ الْقُوَّةَ لِلَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعَذَابِ. And of mankind are some who take for worship others besides Allah as rivals to Allah. They love them as they love Allah, but those who believe love Allah more than anything else. If only those who do wrong could see when they will see the torment, that all power belongs to Allah, and that Allah is severe in punishment. استبر الذين اتبعوا من الذين اتبعوا وراء العذاب وتقطعت بهم الأسباب. When those who were followed disowned, declared themselves innocent of those who followed them, and they see the torment, then all their relations will be cut off from them. وقال الذين اتبعوا لو أن لنا كرة فنتبرأ منهم كما تبرؤوا منا كذلك يريهم الله أعمالهم حسرات عليهم وما هم بخارجين من النار. And those who followed will say, if only we had one more chance to return to the worldly life, we would disown, declared ourselves as innocent from them, as they have disowned, declared themselves as innocent from us. Thus, Allah will show them their deeds as regrets for them, and they will never get out of the fire. يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. O mankind, eat of that which is lawful and good on the earth, and follow not the footsteps of Shaitan. Verily, he is to you an open enemy. إنما يأمركم بالسوء والفحشاء وأن تقولوا على الله ما لا تعلمون. He, Shaitan, commands you only what is evil and fasha, sinful, and that you should say against Allah what you know not. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اتَّبِعُوا مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ قَالُوا بَلْ نَتَّبِعُ مَا أَلْفَيْنَا عَلَيْهِ آبَاءَنَا أَوَلَوْ كَانَ آبَاؤُهُمْ لَا يَعْقِلُونَ شَيْئًا وَلَا يَهْتَدُونَ. When it is said to them, follow what Allah has sent down, they say, nay, we shall follow what we found our fathers following. Would they do that even though their fathers did not understand anything, nor were they guided? Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.